Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Ajax, Ontario is located along the shores of Lake Ontario, just a short drive east of Toronto. Ajax is part of the Greater Toronto Area, making it an ideal place to live if you want the best of both city life and a quieter community. Ajax is named after a British naval ship, HMS Ajax, which served during World War II. It officially became a town in 1955 and has grown a lot since then. Today, it's home to over 126,000 people. The community here is diverse and welcoming, with people from all over the world contributing to its culture. One of Ajax's biggest highlights is its stunning waterfront. The waterfront trail stretches along the lake, offering breathtaking views, perfect for walking, cycling, or simply relaxing by the water. There are also plenty of parks and green spaces to enjoy nature. For entertainment, there's something for everyone. Casino Ajax has over 800 slot machines, and Ajax Downs is the place to go if you love horse racing. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just want a fun day out, you'll find it here. Ajax is a family-friendly town with great schools, modern facilities, and plenty of shopping and dining options. It's the perfect mix of small-town charm and modern living.